Welcome. Now we will discuss complement of a graph. First of all, I want to say what is meant by complement of a graph. Let there is an original graph, that is the graph G. Let it have P vertices, Q edges. So complement of G means it should have all those vertices which belongs to the original graph. But none of those edges will be there which is there in the original graph. But which edges will be there? There will be only those edges which belongs to complete graph of P vertices, but not belongs to the graph G. Let us take an example that will help you to understand. Let us assume suppose this is a graph G. This is our G. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, let us draw a complete graph of 5 vertices. You are knowing the meaning of complete graph, that from each vertex there is an edge to all other vertices. So this is a complete graph of 5 vertices denoted by K5. If this is G, now what will be G complement? We are interested to know what will be G complement. In G complement, see first of all these vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these vertices will be there. And none of these edges will be there. There will be edges, all the edges present in this one, excluding the edges present in this one. Let us try to draw it. First, draw the 5 vertices. This should be there in G complement. This is a primary condition, that all the vertices of G should be there in G complement. And none of these edges will be there. So now better we can change G. None of these edges will be here. Okay, it is. So what edge will be? See, this is G. None of the edges present in this graph is present here, and all those edges which is present here, excluding the edges present here, is present here. So this will be complement of G. Now we will check it. See here, in G there are edges. How many edges are there? G, there are 5 edges. So P equals to 5. Q is also equals to 5. Here how many edges are there? Edges will be 5C2. That is 5 into 4 by 2. That is equals to 10 edges are there. So in G dash also 10 minus 5. Number of edges will be 10 minus 5 equals to 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges are there. None of these edges are present in this graph. But all these edges are present in this graph. So this is called complement of G. In this graph, one more thing, if we want to draw the complement of this one, if he wants to draw the complement of this one, you will see this one will be the complement of G. That means complement of G will give you G. Number of edges also you can calculate. So once again I am reminding you that in complement of a graph, all the vertices of the original graph will be there and only all those edges will be there which is present in complete graph of P vertices but not present in G. That is all about complement of a graph.